What's poppin' to MB Tribe? You already know who it is. It's your girl MaevëxBeauty back with another video, and in today's video we will be finally styling this wig, and I'll be utilizing my crimper. I haven't used a crimp curling iron in a long time, and when I say a long time, I think the last time I used one was back in like middle school, early elementary. Not early elementary, I ain't even tripping. Middle school, early high school. And so yeah, that was like some years ago, not that long ago, but some years ago. So I was like, why not bump this hair up a little bit, put some crimps in her, you know, add the hot comb to the edges, and call it a day. I do have rehearsal today for the fashion show that we will be showcasing for DMV Boss Queens. Make sure you all are tuning into my Instagram and following at DMV Boss Queens so that you are up to date with the show when it airs and all that good stuff. Yes, your girl is on a reality competition show. I know I haven't been talking about that as much, but I will be dropping videos as soon as the episodes air and everything. And pretty much I'm gonna do story times, but I'm gonna do like, you know, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, so you guys really know what was going on behind the scenes and everything like that. And I got all my receipts. But other than that, everything in this video is pretty much self-explanatory. You see how I'm crimping my hair, grabbing each section, and womp, looking cute. Baby hairs is looking slick. Also natural glam on the face, you know, a little soft glam with the lashes to call it a day. Just wanted to keep it cute. Didn't want to do too much for rehearsal, but wanted to do enough because I didn't know if the producers going to show up today and start recording. So y'all know you always got to be on your P's and Q's and stay ready so you don't have to get ready. But enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time your girl drops a new video, because consistency is key. And also comment in the comment section down below what videos you all like from me, what videos you want to see more of from me. Should I start doing pranks? Should I start doing food reviews, you know, trying out new things or whatever? Like, what would you guys like to see more from me? Because I can continue to give you guys the basics, the model norms. I can do more photo shoot videos. I can utilize, you know, my posing techniques and teach you all and do more vlogs. But aside from that, let me know how much more I can give y'all. Other than that, I'm out because y'all know your girl can talk for days. So let me shut it on up. Peace, love, blessings, and we out. Bye, y'all. No, I didn't hear my phone ring at all. It's right here. I don't know what's up with my phone. Honestly, I blame Apple since that daggone 15 coming out and they trying to make me upgrade from a 12.
You need to upgrade from a 12.
I will eventually, but my 12 is doing just fine. But you outside?
Bitch, no.
Oh. I was about to say, wait, I got one more to crimp.
Huh?
I was about to say, wait, I got one more piece of my hair to crimp.
And you got 7 minutes.
Oh, I'm about to be done. My mom says she's trying to leave at 8 a.m. So I'll probably be back home in like 6:37 in the morning tomorrow.
You said what?
Mom says she's trying to leave out at 8 in the morning to go to the beach.
What the fuck?
She don't like being in traffic.
Which beach are we going to? Ocean City?
Ocean City, yeah. I know I said my goodbyes already, but I had to come back because this is the finished product. But I do not need y'all chewing me up in the comments being like, girl, it's still a little bushy, you had to come there. I did fix that with my wide tooth comb before I left the house. And yeah, but bye y'all. Peace, love, and blessings. It's all love. Bye.
I just wake up, you know.